Welcome to VSAS IT Solutions Private Limited. Today we are discussing about variables concept in Go programming or Go language. Okay, what is a variable in GoLang? In GoLang, a variable is a name. A variable is a name which is referencing to an object in the memory. An object in the memory. The variables are used to store the data store the data for future reference or future use. Syntax: how to declare the variables: simply var variable name data type equal to value. Okay, next one, what are the rules? At the time of declaring the variables, we are following some rules. The variable name contains alphabets, like as a lowercase alphabets or uppercase alphabets, both the combination digits from 0 to 9, and underscore symbols. That is a rule number 1. Next, rule number 2, the variable name don't starts with digits. That means the variable name starts with either alphabets or underscore symbols. The variable name starts with either alphabets or symbols. Underscore symbols. Rule number 3, don't assign any keyword as variable name. Don't assign any keyword as variable name. Don't assign any keyword as variable name. In Go programming, in GoLang, the variables are case sensitive. Next, in GoLang, the variable names are unlimited length. We can declare the variables in two ways. First one is by using var keyword. Second one is by using shorthand notation. Okay, scenario one, by using var keyword. Observing very clearly, I am writing the Go program. Simply package main import fmt function, main function I am creating. Now simply here I am declaring the var one variable a equal to 10. I want to print that value. How to print that one? Fmt dot println a value. At a time we can declare the multiple variables also. Var b comma c equal to b comma c equal to 20 comma 30. 20 comma 30. fmt dot println b value and c value. Here one variable. Here we are declaring the multiple variables at a time in a single line. Next one, where we are not assign any value, simply just d, where d specify the data type also. Declare and here I am assign the value d equal to 56 fmt dot println d value or at a time we are assigning the value also. Next one, where I am not assign any value fmt dot println the default value is written. The default value is written. Now I am saving that file in my system in the desktop. My file extension is demo.go. I am trying to executing that file. Open the command prompt, cd space desktop, go run demo.go. Demo.go. Okay. A value is printed, B and C value is printed, D value is printed, and E value also printed. This is a one way to declaring the variables in Go language. This is a one way to declaring the variables in Go language. Next, another one, scenario 2. Scenario 2, by using shorthand notation. By using shorthand notation. By using shorthand notation. Simply observing very clearly here b equal to 10 fmt dot println of b. Now I am trying to execute in that script. Okay, 10 is printed. This is a shorthand notation. This is a shorthand notation. This is about variable declaration. Variable declaration in GoLang. Variable declaration in GoLang. Okay, if anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.